Yesterday I was using the turbo hybrid here, my favorite go-to tool for cleaning all tile and grout, and it was leaking right about here on the handle, right around here in this area. I'm pretty sure something here is busted. It could be the handle. These things break every now, not the handle itself, but the shutoff that's inside of here breaks, and or there's a fitting in here. So I'm gonna crack the case on this thing. I'm gonna take off these 3 bolts here. It's Phillips heads and little 1/4-inch nubs here. This thing pops out with this steel braided line right here. Okay. And I'll hit stop and I'll come back and re-evaluate what I see once this is opened. So now I got it unleashed here, or got the bolts off, and you can see how this thing is hung on and goes through this cylinder here. This stainless steel line is. So what I'm going to do is take it off about right there and see what's going on. This looks like something here that's some type of glue or pressure crap to keep it from leaking, but I'm going to check that out now. Probably have to tie it into my machine at my truck mount down there. But yep, I'll report back to you in a moment.